Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. 5 ways to lose weight fast with baking soda. Drinking baking soda for weight loss. Want to lose weight naturally and easily? Are you tired of following dietary plans that involve an extra suffering? Well, then what you have to do is to incorporate baking soda to your daily diet to get its benefits and lose those extra kilos that bother you so much. Baking soda, a crystalline solid compound that is soluble in water, is very effective for weight loss because it acts as an acid neutralizer of fattening foods thanks to its alkaline function. This video will teach you how to incorporate baking soda to lose weight. Using baking soda to lose weight. Baking soda, an element found in most households. It can be used to lose weight because it helps the body fight acidity that produces a weight gain from eating certain foods, usually refined and processed foods. This is because the baking soda counteracts the metabolic acidosis and increases the alkaline pH of the body. Here we present you recipes so you can use baking soda to lose weight without suffering extreme diets. Juice of lemon and baking soda to lose weight. Both the lemon and baking soda produce an alkaline effect in the body that enhances the functioning of the metabolic process and allow us to burn more fats. In this sense, if we consume both at once, their effects are enhanced. Ingredients. Number 1. Juice of 3 lemons. Number 2. 1 liter of water. Number 3. 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Preparation. Squeeze 3 lemons for making the juice. Dump the lemon juice into a liter of water. Add a teaspoon of baking soda and stir well. Store the juice in the refrigerator. Usage. The first glass of this juice should be drunk on an empty stomach. However, you should continue to drink throughout the day. In just 5 days, baking soda will cause your muscles burn more fat while performing everyday activities.